Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to pay with your Samsung Galaxy phone. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025, but it's the same also for the most of the Samsung Galaxy phone. And if you want to pay with your card with this phone, you can do it. I will show you 3 ways to do it. Now, the first one, for that, just push and hold on the lock screen. Here, use your PIN or fingerprint. And here in the corner, now we have the camera icon, but you can change it if you don't use it. Just tap on it. And here, swipe down. And here we have Google Wallet. Of course, you need to have installed this wallet on your phone. Now just tap on it and tap done. Changes apply to lock screen. And now to pay it is very easy. Just move your finger like this, use the PIN or fingerprint, and now put your phone over the POS, hold to the reader and pay. Now, the second way, for that you can use the Google Assistant or Gemini, and I will show you how to do it. You need to push and hold the side button like this. Open Google Pay. And as you can see, Google Wallet was opened and you can pay with your phone. Now, the third way, for that we need to do a little setting. So first you need to push and hold the volume down button and the side button like this. And here we have side button settings. Tap on it. And here we have double press. Now it's selected camera, but if you don't use the camera, just tap here and go down. Here we have apps, select this option. And now tap on the settings icon. And here swipe down and select again wallet. Now, as you can see, wallet is selected. Also, here we have apps selected. And now, if you want to pay with your phone, just double press on the side button like this. Use your PIN or fingerprint. And as you can see, Google Wallet it's open and you can hold to the reader and pay with your phone. Now, please let me in the comment area what is your favorite method and how it's working for you. I also hope this video to be useful and see you to the next. Have a nice day.